So kudos to you. Good evening, eminent Toastmasters and esteemed guests. How sorted must a speaker be when he understands that public speaking is actually interacting with public and not just some rote speech that you stand and deliver at a place? With a mechanical engineering degree in his kitty, he is a boy with a guitar who loves strumming for himself and is most comfortable when alone. But now he has a change of heart. So please welcome one of the latest entrants in our Toastmasters Club of Lucknow's family, Toastmaster Arpit. He's here today to deliver his icebreaker speech. He's yet to choose a pathway, but that's okay. The objectives of his speech is to introduce himself to the club and learn the basic structure of a public speech. Timer, please note, the speech duration of his speech is going to be 4 to 6 minutes with a grace period of 30 seconds at the end of 6 minutes. So Toastmaster Arpit, the stage is all yours. Toastmaster Arpit, revisiting the past, Toastmaster Arpit.
Last year, I got inquisitive. If there can be National School of Drama for teaching dramatics,
Toastmaster Arpit, you are on mute.
And we'll need to spotlight him too.
Yes.
Last year, one day morning, I got inquisitive. If there can be National School of Drama for teaching dramatics, there definitely must be some school which must be teaching public speaking. I googled and got to know about Toastmaster Club, Toastmaster International. I visited the page and got to know about that how we can be a guest of Toastmaster International. I was in New Delhi at that time and I was a guest there, and in that I was like I got it because of lockdown. I was there as a just virtual guest, but I wanted a real guest, a real interaction with them, because my challenge is not facing the laptop or a camera. My challenge was facing the public and interacting with them. I have never been in that phase, so I thought that I should delay the joining this and wait for the lockdown to end. Lockdown 1 ended, and then I was very happy that very soon I would be part of Toastmaster family. But to my surprise, Toastmaster didn't receive. I could not receive the Toastmaster because lockdown second started. I kept waiting for an year passed, and I was near to end of the second year also. So I was very amazed that why this is happening. So I would like to ask one question from you all people. What's the probability that we take a decision and the result is good? Yes, you all are right. It's 50%. If we take a decision, it can be good, it can give a bad result also. And what is the probability that if we take a decision and the result is we take a good decision and the result is good, we all would want to have 100% result because we have spent the time taking a good decision. But sometimes I have seen in my life also, personal life also, we take a decision, good decision, but it turns out to give a negative result. The same thing, I created a new inquisitiveness in me. I wanted to know, is it possible that I take a negative decision, a bad decision, the decision which I don't want to take, and the result turns out to be good? The same thing happened with me when I joined for my entry into Toastmaster International. I was not willing to be a part of the virtual family, the online party. I wanted to be on the offline center. But when I joined it, I found it that there is more to learn that which I was looking for. The threat, the hard thought, the thrush which you feel, adrenal thrush which you feel when you face the public is there. I know. I want to tell you that it's still there. I have never been there. It's still there. And I'm waiting for the lockdown to end. But there is more to learn. It wasn't like that only we go to an offline center and we will gain everything. It's more than that. So I became part of Toastmaster family. So here I am, Toastmaster Arpit Kapoor. I don't know what Toastmaster actually means, but I am Toastmaster Arpit Kapoor. I have joined it, and I'm very happy regarding it also. And from my very childhood, I have always been in limelight of the society. Limelight of the society. I used to play bongo, and with passing days, I turned into playing a Congo player, from bongo to Congo. And with passing time, I found that I had completed 8 years of diploma from Badkhandi Music Institute of Lucknow in tabla. I am a diploma holder in tabla. But still, my questioning is still same. I am a road learner. I have memorized things. I have prepared something, and I am expressing things to the public. This is always there, retaining things and expressing, retaining things and expressing. But nothing was like interaction then. So for that only I joined Toastmaster Club of Lucknow. So personally, I am very creative. I am very curious guy. I am inquisitive. I am very. I would console. My counseling skills are very good. I am good at counseling also, and I am very visionary. And to improve my visionary, or I can say to express my visionary, I became part of Toastmaster to have a direct interaction with the public. But that was missing in my personal life. In my past also, I was never in that exposure where I can interact with the public. So here I am. So here I am with my pursuit to improve my vocational skills. My personal skills, I would say, I love to serve public also. I love to solve problems of others. I love to solve. I am a technical guy, so technical problems I can also solve, and social problems I can also solve. Social service is very close to me. And after my graduation in mechanical engineering, I turned my face towards becoming a IAS officer, and for that I turned to New Delhi. And there I spent, after spending a lot of time there, 6-7 years, I came back with no results. But I still want to work for the public and serve my society. That beat is still there to hurt, but I cannot say that my heart lose a beat. My heart didn't lost a beat, but still I want to work there. I am still waiting for some positive thing to happen in my life so that I can expose more parts, whether joining an NGO or being a state officer, anything. But I am definitely waiting for good things to happen in my, so that I can be in a position so that I can serve others. So here is my interaction with the Toastmaster, so that I can express my visionary communication, so that I can communicate with my visionary experiences with the public, and remove that thread with me and become a better communicator. So here is my ice-breaking speech at Toastmaster Club of Lucknow. Thank you very much for being an active listener. As in my last meet, I had told you that active listening is very much important. It's not mere listening, it's active listening. So thank you, all of you, for being active listeners to my speech. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow, what a great speech given by Toastmaster Arpit Kapoor.
Sorry to intervene. Whenever a person gives an icebreaker, all of you are requested to unmute yourself and applaud.
So